Okay, we're about 3 months in and just wanted to show a few updates. As you can see, the windows are in. I showed you that before. The fascia around the balcony has been changed out, so that looks great. And they changed out that whole bottom of the balcony, and I think they have cut in or framed in where the new roll-up garage doors are going to be. Yeah, so there's going to be 2 garage doors there and another storage room door there. Kind of a change to the plan is this back here. So if you remember, this was a skinning shed or some kind of little covered thing over here, but they have taken it down and they're going to change this area to a basketball court. So they'll be framing up the sport court this week coming up, and so they'll have one of the sport basketball courts, and that really does change the look of the backyard. And then they have started blacking in this is going to be like the little exercise house, and they're about to put siding on it. So you remember earlier they had a whole portion of this side and the other side that they took off of the house. So yeah, that's the majority of the changes outside. Okay guys, today is another demo day. The truck was full. We saw them take that one piece of glass out. So they're taking the walls off. Okay guys, front porch, you got the beam here ready to go up. The wall is down between the kitchen and what's now going to be the dining room, and look how cool this looks. Oh my gosh, the cypress is up on the ceiling. They actually had stucco or some plaster on the ceiling, so they had to put some wood underneath there, and so that they could nail the cypress up. So this big beam is gonna go right there. It's gonna look so good. And then all the doors open, but the new front door is in. New front door, 9-foot door, sanded down, and these are the beams that will be going horizontally across, like the ones that are already up in the kitchen. Okay guys, so remember there was a wall right there, and that was the original ceiling. So they added this beam across, and all the ceiling looks so good. Let me show you from a different angle. So ceiling's all redone, that wall is gone, So this is gonna be a big dining room. And then, you know, this is the brick archway that they built. So you have the 2 brick archways here. And then you have 2 more down the hall. So this is the wall for the foyer. So this will be a full wall, sheetrocked. And this is your new front door.
All right, today we got the plumbing going in. We got plumbing for the toilet and the vanity for the girls. And here is their plumbing for their tub. Yay!
Hey guys, thanks for watching our renovation show with Shelly and Kyle. I hope you're enjoying getting to see them renovate their house. If you want to make sure that you don't miss any of our episodes throughout these next couple months, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you